Hey, what's good, everyone? You're tuned into the Sweet Spot. This is Dr. Sweet, and yes, we're back to another Slow Down Sunday. Yeah, I know you've been grinding hard all week, making moves. You've been chasing the dream. You've been making it happen. I get you. But today's all about slowing it down and giving yourself enough space and time so that you can be in the moment. Hey, look, I get it. We're all about that hustle life. We're always on the go. We're always leveling up. There's always something to do. But let me ask you this. When was the last time you actually slowed down to take care of you? I'm not kidding. I mean it. Like, have you ever done it this week? I don't know if I did. And I'm not talking about hitting the gym or smashing a green smoothie when I say slow down. Those are cool. But real self-care, it's deeper than that. It's how you take your power back. Self-care is how you take your power back by putting yourself first, even when it feels like you should be doing a million other things. And God knows there's always a million other things to do, a million little things, and some big things too. But when we slow down for some real self-care, it's about being intentional about showing ourselves the same love we give to everyone else. Here's the real talk. You can't pour from an empty cup. I heard that once and it really stuck with me. You can't give what you don't have. If you're not pouring into you, if we're not pouring in to ourselves, if we don't slow down enough and refill, we'll burn out. And before we even get close to our goals, we'll find ourselves just grinding on E. So slowing down to take care of you is not weakness, it's a strategy. It's knowing that the strongest thing you can do is step back and recharge. Recharge yourself when you need it. Look, we get caught up in fixing things, caught up in tweaking things, caught up in pushing like we're machines. But even machines need a reboot. One of my favorite authors, Anne Lamott, said it best. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. Let me say that again. I love that one, right? Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes and then plug it back in. And including you, right? And how many times, because I know nothing about computers, I know nothing about digital world, and my go-to signature move is to unplug something and put it back in to help it work. I never once thought that could be me that needs unplugging from time to time. So that's what Slow Down Sunday is all about, my friend. It's about giving yourself permission to unplug and giving yourself consent to reset. So here's the move. Today, we take a deep breath together. We slow down. And instead of focusing on what's wrong, we notice. We notice what's right. We notice what's not broken. We don't look for something to fix, right? We just want to slow down and take it in. Recognize that there's so much you've got going for you right now that you took this minute on Slow Down Sunday to appreciate your own strength and your own resilience, how you've been able to make it happen despite the challenges. And I applaud you for that. I read somewhere this quote, I can't remember where it was, you are the most constant thing in your own life, so you've got to be your best friend. You've got to invest in you. If you don't have your own back, who will? Who will have your back? Who will have your back? So today, this is the chance to slow it down. Be your own biggest supporter. Get out there and relax. Let go. Remember, you're your own best thing. Toni Morrison said it like that too. Let go of the pressure. Breathe. And just remind yourself that I don't have to fix everything. Today, I am the thing. And that real power is knowing when to rest so I can come back stronger. All right, friends, that's it for today. Take this Slow Down Sunday to tap back into your own energy, to show yourself some love and recharge. Believe you me, we'll be back tomorrow to hit it hard for you know what? For Making Moves Monday. I'll see you then. All right, this is Dr. Sweet. You've been listening to The Sweet Spot. Thank you, and have a beautiful, beautiful Sunday.